This 5-minute flow from the Time Story Library looks at how to investigate unresolved SentinelOne threats. You're going to need access to SentinelOne, Jira. We'll use some of our actions and resources with your details. So this is a nice, simple 5-action story that runs on a schedule set to 9 a.m. every day by default, but you can adjust that to be whatever works best for your team. And the goal here is really straightforward. Pull in any unresolved threats from SentinelOne, check if there's anything to act on, and if there is, automatically create a Jira ticket for each unique incident. So it kicks off here with a HTTP request that calls the SentinelOne API and fetches threats that are unresolved and created in the last 24 hours. It's limited to 10 results at a time, and it uses your SentinelOne credential and server resource to authenticate and connect. Next up, we have a condition action. It's going to check whether the total number of items returned is greater than or equal to 1. If there are no threats, the story is just going to stop right here. There's no noise or unnecessary tickets. If there are threats, though, we move on to explode that array of alerts and split them out into individual events, one per threat. That way, each alert gets its own dedicated processing path downstream. So we then hit another event transform action, but this time in deduplicate mode. It looks back across 2,000 past events and checks whether we've already processed this exact threat before. We'll use a combination of fields that you'll see here, things like agent ID, file path, file hashed, even the threat name. If we've seen it before, it's going to get dropped. Only net new threats will make it through. Finally, we'll create a fully formatted Jira ticket. This ticket will include all of the key details, things like threat classification, agent info, file path, everything that you could need. Will even include a link back to the time story run for traceability. And that's the whole flow. 5 actions running daily. It's simple, but really powerful. You'll find this story and lots of others like it in the Time Story Library. Happy building!